I'm taking on the challenge to clean my credit reports in just 2 weeks, and I'm sharing every step of the journey with you. Having a clean credit report is crucial for your financial health and future opportunities. Your credit score can affect everything from getting approved for loans and credit cards to even landing an apartment or a job. That's why it's essential to keep your credit reports error-free and up-to-date. When it comes to credit reports, many people face common issues that can hurt their credit scores. One of the most prevalent problems is inaccuracies, such as incorrect information or mistaken identities. Another issue is outdated information, which can also negatively impact your credit score. Moreover, many people lack the knowledge on how to dispute errors or don't even know they have the right to do so. This lack of awareness can lead to people accepting incorrect information on their credit reports, causing long-term damage to their financial health. Furthermore, credit reports can be intimidating, causing people to avoid checking them altogether, which only exacerbates the problem. So, how do you check your credit reports and identify how you can clean up your credit reports in just 2 weeks? Let's say you identify 3 errors on your report, including an incorrect address and 2 accounts that aren't yours. You dispute these errors with the credit bureaus, providing supporting documentation to prove your case. Within a week, the credit bureaus correct the errors, and your credit score starts to improve. By the end of the 2 weeks, your credit report is error-free, and your credit score has increased significantly. I want to share a success story with you. One of my friends, John, had a credit score of 580 due to multiple errors on his credit report. He followed the steps I just outlined, and within 2 weeks, he was able to clean up his credit report and increase his score to 680. This significant improvement in his credit score opened up new financial opportunities for him, including lower interest rates on loans and credit cards. In summary, cleaning your credit reports in just 2 weeks is achievable with the right strategies and knowledge. By identifying and disputing errors, you can improve your credit score and unlock better financial opportunities for yourself. If you've struggled with credit report errors or have a success story to share, please comment below. And if you want to dive deeper into credit repair strategies, be sure to check out our other videos on the topic.